Welcome back to Module 2, Physics. In this video, we cover work, kinetic and potential energy, conservation of energy, and power. The concepts behind how machines and aircraft systems do useful things. Work is done whenever a force moves something through a distance. It is calculated as force multiplied by the distance moved in the direction of that force and measured in joules. For example, a 40-Newton force moving an object 5 meters does 200 joules of work. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to its motion, equal to 1/2 mass times velocity squared. Because velocity is squared, doubling the speed of an object quadruples its kinetic energy, which is why higher landing speeds demand so much more braking energy from an aircraft. Potential energy is the energy an object has because of its position, calculated as mass times gravitational acceleration times height above a reference point. A raised object stores gravitational potential energy, ready to be converted into motion if it falls. The principle of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. As a falling object loses height, its potential energy converts into kinetic energy, but the total of the two always stays the same. Power is the rate at which work is done, calculated as work divided by time, measured in watts. Doing the same amount of work in less time means using more power. This is why a more powerful engine can lift the same load or accelerate the same aircraft more quickly. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. Potential energy equals mass times gravity times height. 5 times 9.8, 1 times 3, gives a potential energy gain of 147.15 joules. Question 1. What is work? The answer is B, force times distance moved in the direction of the force. Question 2. A 2-kilogram object moves at 4 meters per second. What is its kinetic energy? The answer is A, 16 joules. Question 3. What is power? The answer is B, the rate of doing work. Here is your quick reference. Work is force times distance. Kinetic energy is 1/2 mass times velocity squared. Potential energy is mass times gravity times height. Energy is conserved, so PE plus KE stays constant. And power is work divided by time. That covers work, kinetic and potential energy, conservation of energy, and power. In the next video, we continue dynamics with momentum and impulse. See you there.